Hey guys, we received this Zecti camera backpack. It's a 15-inch professional camera bag and also a laptop bag for a waterproof canvas photography backpack with a front hard shell and a laptop compartment. So as I said, like it can be used for the laptop as well and the tripod holder and you can just use it for the camera. So basically it's a camera bag and also have a laptop compartment, and as you can see it's a very nice fabric, very nice cloth. There's a hard shell outside so that it can protect your camera, and from the sides also it have all this uh, blocking and the hangers thing. So let me just open this so you can see the compartments for the lenses and the camera that you can do it here. So it's a very soft and protective compartment, so your lens will be protected, and then the hard shell outside for that camera. And also in the back zipper, you can put in your small stuff like your memory card and things, and then a laptop cabinet in the back. So here you can put in your laptop as well, and then just close it down. So it's a very nice compartment thing in here, and then a very hard shell like in the back also, so very protective, and also a comfort this the hard shell. So it's a protective thing here, as you can see, and you can also use it in a carry-on bag, like on the travel luggage. For the water you can put, and then for the tripod also there's a side strap, as you can see. So you can put on a tripod along with this small meshy thing, and then on the top with that uh, zipper thing. So it's a comfortable and a nice camera backpack for your travel and for your use.